Today, I am reviewing ACEMAGICIAN Kron Mini K1 Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The ACEMAGICIAN Kron Mini K1 Mini PC is a compact powerhouse that brings professional performance and versatility into a remarkably small form factor. Measuring just 5.19 by 5.19 inches with a slim 1.96-inch height, this mini PC can fit comfortably on any desk or entertainment setup without occupying much space. Despite its small size, the Kron Mini K1 is packed with impressive hardware. It features the AMD Ryzen 7 5825U processor, an 8-core, 16-thread CPU capable of reaching speeds up to 4.5 GHz. Compared to older AMD Ryzen 5 series processors, this model offers approximately 35% higher CPU performance and up to 38% better GPU performance, giving users a noticeable boost in both productivity and light gaming scenarios. Equipped with the AMD Radeon RX Vega 8 integrated graphics, the Kron Mini K1 handles light gaming and multimedia tasks with ease. You can enjoy titles like Apex Legends, CSGO, PUBG, Call of Duty, Dota 2, Rust, and GTA 5 at moderate settings, delivering smooth performance and responsive gameplay. Its integrated GPU also supports triple display output, including HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C ports, allowing you to run up to 3 4K monitors simultaneously. This is a fantastic feature for productivity, multitasking, and immersive entertainment setups. Whether you're streaming videos, running office applications, or engaging in creative tasks, this mini PC provides clear, sharp visuals and high-quality graphics performance. The Kron Mini K1 is built for multitasking. With 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB SSD, it ensures fast boot times, quick file access, and smooth operation across multiple applications. The system also supports memory upgrades of up to 64 GB and SSD storage expansion to 2 TB, providing plenty of room for future-proofing your setup. This makes it a perfect choice for office work, video editing, light gaming, home theater setups, or educational purposes. Combined with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth connectivity, as well as a 10/100/1000 Mbps Ethernet port, this mini PC guarantees fast, stable, and reliable network performance, essential for online work, cloud-based applications, or casual online gaming. Another standout feature is its sleek and durable design. The black aluminum chassis is not only stylish, but also ensures efficient heat dissipation, keeping the system cool during extended use. Despite its powerful components, the ACEMAGICIAN Kron Mini K1 consumes just 28 watts, making it energy efficient and quiet during operation. The included Visa mount further enhances its versatility, allowing you to mount it behind a monitor or on a wall for a clean, minimal workspace. It comes preloaded with Windows 11 Pro, offering the latest software experience, security features, and productivity tools, with support for Linux and other operating systems if needed. In terms of connectivity, the Kron Mini K1 is impressively versatile. It includes multiple USB ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, and Type-C outputs, supporting modern peripherals, external storage, and multiple display setups. Audio connectivity is also supported, making it convenient for headsets or external speaker systems. Additionally, the mini PC comes with a 2-year warranty and dedicated customer support, providing peace of mind for both personal and professional users. Its small footprint combined with high-performance specifications makes it an ideal choice for those who need a compact but capable computer for everyday tasks, light gaming, or even small-scale creative projects. Overall, the ACEMAGICIAN Kron Mini K1 Mini PC offers a unique combination of power, efficiency, and compact design. Whether you are a professional seeking a productivity boost, a gamer wanting a small but capable rig, or someone in need of a reliable home office system, the Kron Mini K1 delivers excellent performance without compromising space. With fast processing, smooth multitasking, triple display support, and robust connectivity, it is a mini PC that truly proves size does not determine capability. For anyone looking for a compact, Versatile and high-performance desktop solution, the ACEMAGICIAN Kron Mini K1 is an excellent choice that balances performance, design, and value.